Hi out there in YouTube land. I know I haven't been on this past weekend. I had something come up unexpected that I needed to take care of with a friend. Thought I would have been on Monday, but that didn't work out either. But I'm here today and I'm just going to do a quick overview of the economy. That's the platform that you guys know I'm partnered with. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna take the next 20 minutes or so just to briefly go over economy, what the company is, and how you can be a part of it. Um, I just want to pull this thing up on here so I can see if anybody's asking any questions. Okay, so again, my name is Alethea, and the name of my channel is RaineOnTheCharts. So you know that everything I'm talking about here has to do with trading, the foreign exchange market. I used to do strictly binary options, but a little over a year ago, I decided to come to the main Forex traditional style of trading, and I've been now working on getting a prop firm account that I've been documenting a bit inconsistently with you guys, but I just passed phase one this week. So now I'm on to phase two of that, and I'll keep you posted. And if you want to learn how you can navigate the markets and get your own prop firm account where you can qualify to trade with other people's money, then message me and I can set you up with economy. But I'm gonna share my screen and I'm gonna show you economy. Give me 1 second. Okay. So you should be able to see my screen right now. So the goal is to impact 1 million families, right? And we definitely will do that. It's going to take some time, but diligently showing the information, we're going to get there. And Mr. Rudy Valsi, my mentor, he's the person that told me about trading as a whole. Uh, it was actually more than 4 years ago. It's been close to 4 years that I've been serious about it, but it was maybe 6 years ago that I was first introduced to trading, but I never took it seriously at the time. You guys know I'm in New York. So when the pandemic hit in 2020, that's when I revisited Forex. And, sometimes something really crazy needs to happen to get you back on track. And that's the thing that did it for me. So now here we are. Now I'm competent in the market. And yes, it takes time. When I first started, I was told by my mentor that, it's going to require around 18 months if you're doing minimum an hour a day for 5 days a week. Now, we do a whole lot of things with our 24 hours a day. I'm sure you can find an hour or more, scale back on watching TV, scale back on social media, and you can find the time to do something that can truly change your life. So we want to impact 1 million families, and we're going to get that done. So how Mr. Valsi and I ended up partnering with this platform is as a result of our alignment with Mr. Jose Ardon. He's someone who is well recognized, well respected in the industry. So he saw something in this company and we decided to follow him. All right. So the name of the platform again is Economy. And sorry guys, it's New York. So you're gonna hear the sounds of New York while we're doing the live. All right. So Economy is the name of the company. And it's a tech company and an educational platform all rolled into one. So the person who actually founded the company is Hassan Mahmoud, and he's a financial expert. He has done multiple nine figures globally. He trains people in many different countries, and he just has a brilliant mind. He's come up with all these different technologies, and now he started his own company. Now, the services. So I'm not going to have a long drawn out thing. I'm just going to get right to the meat and potatoes. What are the services that Economy has to offer? So as I'm in New York, I'm going to touch the four services that we have here. And then I'll touch on another two, which are available to people who are outside of the US. So firstly, there's the ECA, which is Economy's Academy. And here you have short videos, anywhere between 2 minutes to 6 minutes long. And these videos are going to give you the foundation of trading, right? The foreign exchange market is a market that we all participate in one way or the other, whether it's voluntary or involuntary. So you can watch some videos here that will give you a better understanding of the market. And then also you can have access to recorded sessions, and that's going to be a bit longer than the 2 to 6 minute videos. It will be hour-long trainings, and there are hours and hours and hours of recordings that you can go and watch and hone your skills. And you're learning from educators who are licensed, whether it's Series 6, 63, whatever. They're licensed educators on this ECA, and it's available in English, Spanish, Arabic, right? Not just English. Then we have Eminos, and Eminos is like an ecosystem wherein you're going to get trade alerts coming directly to your phone. And this is for those who, yes, they want to profit from the markets, but they may not necessarily have time to go to classes. See, for me, I would say learn the skill. And to learn the skill, you want to go through the academy. But not everybody wants to do that, but everybody wants to make money, right? If you can earn anywhere between 2 to 5% on your money per day, that's something you'd want to do, right? So if that's the case, you can learn, but while you're learning, you can be making money by getting these alerts coming to your phone via our Eminos ecosystem. So you get trade ideas. You could be standing online waiting to pay for your groceries. You get that notification. It's an opportunity for you to copy, paste, and get into the markets. And these signals are coming not from robots. They're coming from humans, the same ones that are teaching in the academy. They're the ones that are doing all that analysis so that you don't have to do it, right? Then Manara is a software that's going to be a helping hand. It can help the person who is brand new, and it can help the person who is a seasoned trader. So how it helps the brand new person is that it's going to give you your entry point. It's going to give you your stop loss, your take profits. And you may not know right now what I mean when I say those terms, but once you go through the videos in the ECA, you'll know exactly what that is. So that's going to allow that newbie who wants to trade but doesn't want to just sit around waiting on the trade alerts from Eminos. You say you want to trade at 4 a.m. or you want to trade at midnight or noon. Whenever you decide you want to trade, you can log into Manara and you can see what setups are available, because Manara is scanning the markets 24/7, 365, looking for patterns that it can help you with. Now, for the seasoned trader who is able to actually look at the charts for themselves, this is going to be an added confirmation. So if you, as a seasoned trader, look at, say you look at USD JPY and you see a potential short position, you open up Manara and you pull up USD JPY, and Manara is saying, hey, you need to sell here. That's a confirmation that the analysis that you did was correct. And then that gives you that confidence to go ahead and take that trade. Then Hercules, this is now going to be for the crypto lovers. Hercules is doing this strategy DCA, that's dollar cost average. And the way I will experience it so that the layman can understand, sorry guys, the way I understand it so the layman can understand is that think about shopping, right? Now, different stores, they have clothing that they're selling, and at different times you can get those items, same items, you can get them on sale. Say Tommy Hilfiger has a shirt for $150, for example. You can actually go to Marshalls, or you can go to TJ Maxx, and you can get the same shirt for maybe $20 or $50. So you're able to get the same thing, but you get it on sale. That's kind of how I explain dollar cost averaging. And yeah, who doesn't love a sale? I definitely know that I do, right? So that is how you're able to use Hercules. It's so that you can buy crypto, but you buy it on sale. Now, every time the price drops, and most people are panicking. They're like, they want to sell because the price is going down. They're losing money. No. Auntie. Hello, my love. Hello. That could be the time for you to actually jump in and buy some more, because the price is going to come back up, right? So those are the 4 different services that are available for you as someone in the US. Now, we give education for Forex, crypto, stock options, binary. So I want to talk really quickly about this educator who does the stock options, because stock options is new to me. So her name is Jessica Ramos, and she's someone that is well respected, sought after, so much so that, as you can see here, people pay upwards of $300 per hour just to get access to her so they can learn from her, learn what she knows. She actually has a course going for $15,000. Yes, $15,000. And being that I've been in the trading space for quite a few years now, I have encountered individuals who will pay $10,000, $5,000, $15,000 to get access to information, because you know that once you have that information, the earning potential is limitless, right? So you get access to her course just by being a student or a customer of Economy. So with that being said, now the thing is, how much does it cost, right? So how do you get started so that you can take advantage of the technology, you can take advantage of the education? Well, it's so simple here. There are simply 2 options. First is the elite package, which is for people who are in the US. That's going to give you the ECA, the Eminus, Manara, and Hercules, which I showed you on the previous slide. The entry price here is $149 one time, and then it's going to be $99 monthly to maintain access. Now, for those of you who are outside of the US, I did say I would touch on 2 other products. So we have Athena and Xena, which are 2 robots. So you would just fund your broker, have it connected to Athena and Xena, or Xena, and it's going to auto trade for you. So you don't have to manually take any trades. It's just going to run. And, the profits that I've seen or I've heard, because I haven't been with the company for a year, but I heard that the profits have been about 6 to 8%, and that is good. Think about you putting $100 in the bank right now. If you go back a year from now, would that $100 have grown 6% or 8%? No, right? It wouldn't even have grown 1% because they're just not giving you money. But fun fact, guys, when you put your money in the bank for safekeeping, they actually are using your money to trade in these different markets. So, that is something for you to consider. So we have software here, we have education here where you can grow your money in a way that you would never be able to grow it in a bank. And let me just put the disclaimer, past performance does not guarantee future results. This is investing and it involves risk. So the Elite Pro Pack, which is the four I mentioned, plus Athena and Xena, the entry price here is $235 one time, and then the monthly is $149. So yeah, that's pretty much it for what we have to offer. I don't know why I'm seeing that. Stop share. All right. So I want to thank you guys for watching this overview, and get back with whoever showed you this video and find out exactly what it is you need to do to get started. If you have any questions, get the questions answered. If it needs to be a discussion with me, I'm always open, always available to get on a Zoom or on a video chat. I'm all about transparency. I will get on and talk to you. But yeah, that's going to be it for me for this evening. And that was really short. It's 7:24 and I'm already done. But thank you guys for getting on. All right. Take care. I'm going to say goodbye to you out there in YouTube land. And I will be seeing you on Sunday at 5 p.m. God's willing. Sorry about